Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace license plate light bulbs on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues. Having all your materials ready beforehand will make the entire process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's access the bulb housing. Look for the clear or red plastic covers above your license plate. Often, these are held in place by one or two small Phillips head screws. Carefully remove these screws, then use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the lens cover. Be careful not to scratch your vehicle's paint. With the lens cover off, you'll see the bulb socket. Gently twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Once the socket is free, pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a little snug. Then, simply push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure the new bulbs are working. If they illuminate, you're good to go. Twist the bulb socket back into the housing clockwise until it locks. Then, carefully reattach the lens cover, making sure it snaps or fits snugly. Finally, replace any screws you removed to secure the cover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.